Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this channel we talk about hair care tips, routines and many more. So in case you are interested in this type of content, make sure to join the family by hitting that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that you can join the family. In my last video I made a very important announcement that in case you need a hair coach, a hair advisor, a personal hair buddy that will be there for you 24/7 to answer your questions, to provide solutions to your challenges, and so help you whatsoever regarding your hair journey, I am here for you guys. All you have to do is send a mail to my email stating your request and your WhatsApp number so that I'll be able to get in touch with you. And of course, all this will be for a very affordable fee, yeah guys. So if you want to get more details about this, make sure to check on my last video. So jumping right into the video of today, in this video we are going to talk about the difference between a neutralizing shampoo and a clarifying shampoo. Now some people get confused as to when to use a neutralizing shampoo or a clarifying shampoo, or the difference. Some people go as far as using them on their hair interchangeably because they don't know their specific purposes. So in this video I'm going to clear your doubts whatsoever on clarifying shampoos and neutralizing shampoos. So just as the name implies, a neutralizing shampoo is to neutralize your hair, to neutralize the pH of your hair, to get it back to its original pH state. While a clarifying shampoo, the main purpose of a clarifying shampoo is to remove product buildup. So a neutralizing shampoo is not a clarifying shampoo, and a clarifying shampoo is not a neutralizing shampoo. The main purpose of a neutralizing shampoo is to restore the pH of your hair, because sometimes when we use chemicals on our hair, especially when we use relaxers and when we use color treatments on our hair, the pH of our hair is altered. Basically our hair is slightly in an acidic state. So when you use those colors and relaxers on your hair, it raises the pH to a very high level, making it more alkaline. So if you don't use a neutralizing shampoo after rinsing off the relaxers from your hair or the color treatment of your hair, the pH of your hair will still be elevated. So you have to use a neutralizing shampoo to bring it back so the original state, so the original pH of your hair. Now if you don't use a neutralizing shampoo and you leave your hair in a very alkaline state like that after the relaxer treatment and the protein treatment, your hair is going to be prone to dryness. So you have to make sure to use a neutralizing shampoo always after you relax and you use color treatments on your hair. Plus a neutralizing shampoo also has the benefits of washing away product residues like from relaxers, from color treatments and all those. So a neutralizing shampoo has a sort of a clarifying effect, but not as much as a clarifying shampoo itself. The main purpose of a clarifying shampoo is to remove residues and products build up from your hair. A clarifying shampoo cannot alter the pH of your hair. It cannot restore the pH of your hair back to its original state. So imagine you relax your hair or you use a color treatment on your hair. You can't use a clarifying shampoo to restore back the pH of your hair. In fact, you can't use any other shampoo, any other type of shampoo to restore the pH of your hair other than a neutralizing shampoo. So that's the main differences, guys. I'm going to make a more detailed video on each of them. I'm going to make a video on when you should use a neutralizing shampoo. I'm going to talk about that in detail, and I'm going to make a separate video on when you should use a clarifying shampoo. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so that you get notified when I upload that video. So yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to bring out the fact and bring it to your notice that a neutralizing shampoo and a clarifying shampoo are two different types of shampoos, and they cannot be used interchangeably. A neutralizing shampoo is to restore the pH of your hair, while a clarifying shampoo is mainly for removing residues and product buildup. There are tons of neutralizing shampoos in the market. There are tons of clarifying shampoos in the market. So if you are looking for one, all you have to do is go online and you see tons of them. Personally, for me, I have not tried a clarifying shampoo in particular, but I have used a neutralizing shampoo. I use the Prophetic Mega Growth Neutralizing Shampoo. It actually comes with the relaxer, so I don't have to stress myself and going around to look for a neutralizing shampoo when I want to relax my hair, because the neutralizing shampoo actually comes with the relaxer. So yeah guys, that's the basic difference between a neutralizing shampoo and a clarifying shampoo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you become part of the family. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.